In this video, I want to demonstrate how to use the Freeform tool. So I'm going to go to the drop-down menu, select Insert, Features, and then I'm going to come across and down to Freeform. As the face to Freeform, I'm going to select this surface here, and then I want to control it through points by adding curves. So I'm going to select Add Curves, and when I get over the part, you'll notice as I move my mouse around, I can click and add as many curves as I want. Wherever the green line is showing, it'll add a spline. So I'm just going to go back here and get it roughly in center and click to add a curve. And now I want to tell I'm going to add points to that curve. So I'm going to select Add Points. It will snap to the geometry, and I'm going to come out and click once, twice, and a third time up here, and I'll add those 3 control points. I can add as many as I like. To tell it I'm done, I'm going to come over here and click Add Points again. Now when I select one of these points, I can manipulate it. I can grab any directional arrow and stretch it in that direction, or this direction, or I could stretch it off center, and if I'm done with that one, I could select the next one. And again, I could continue to manipulate this surface however I like by selecting my control points and then dragging them around until I'm happy with what I have. So next, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to scroll down. I could also use these wheels to manipulate each of the triads. And I'll scroll a little further down, and I'm going to turn the density of the mesh up. We can see how it's being manipulated here. And I'm just going to scroll down a bit. I'm going to turn on the curvature combs for direction 1, and we see what's happening to the surface here, how it's twisting and turning. And I can turn them on for direction 2 as well, or shut this direction off. And again, we can see how we're manipulating the part. These just visually let us see the manipulation, exaggerate it. I'm going to shut the curvature combs off. I could also, at this point, if I wish, turn on zebra stripes just to see how much I messed this shape up. I'll turn those off. I'll accept that. But the Freeform is all just about getting the look you want.